We are at IFA 2019, and we're taking a look at the Motorola One ZOOM. Straight ahead. Welcome back, guys. It's Alex from TECHAERIS.com, and I'm here taking a look at the Motorola One ZOOM at IFA 2019. Let's dive right in. Alrighty, let's just dive right into availability on the Motorola One ZOOM. It will be available beginning September 5th in Brazil, Mexico, Argentina, and various Latin American countries, and beginning September 6th in Europe at a starting price of 429 euros. As for the United States, it's available now at Motorola.com as a GSM unlocked device compatible with carriers like AT&T and T-Mobile, and it has a starting price of $449.99 US. The Motorola One ZOOM is what we would consider a mid-range phone with the price point it's at, but it really does pack a lot of cool things, cool features into it. It has a quad camera system with a high-res optical zoom camera. That's 3 times optical zoom and 10 times hybrid zoom, with 8 megapixel with optical image stabilization. It has an ultra-wide angle camera with 117 degrees at 16 megapixels. It has a depth camera, 5 megapixels, and a 48 megapixel main camera with an f1.7 aperture, also with optical image stabilization. Motorola says with the 48 megapixel main sensor and quad pixel technology, the zoom delivers 4 times better light sensitivity to get you sharper and brighter photos in low light situations. Of course, it comes equipped with OIS, optical image stabilization, which keeps the lens steady so your photos are blur-free and instant ready. Also comes with night vision mode, similar to what the Pixel does. Motorola says the Motorola One ZOOM is different from other smartphones because the 8 megapixel telephoto camera offers not only 3 times high-res optical zoom, but a 10 times hybrid zoom. So that lets you capture more details from a distance while maintaining the picture quality. As for the front-facing camera, it's a 25 megapixel selfie cam, and it also comes equipped with the quad pixel technology, which Motorola says delivers 4 times better light sensitivity. As for battery life, the Motorola One ZOOM has a 4,000 milliamp battery, which Motorola says can last up to 2 days on a single charge. It's also equipped with turbo power, has a 6.4-inch Max Vision OLED display, and it's a full HD 1080p display. Alright guys, that has been the Motorola One ZOOM from IFA 2019. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, make sure you're subscribed, make sure you hit the notification bell, and we will talk to you guys on the other side.